Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to log in the Telegram using an email address. Let's get started. As of now, Telegram does not support logging in directly with an email. When you open the Telegram app to access your account, you'll always be asked to enter your phone number first. Even if you have added an email address for two-factor authentication during setup or later through your settings, that email is only used for extra security and recovery. It cannot be used as the main login method. To sign into Telegram, you must have access to the phone number linked to your account, as Telegram uses that number to verify your identity. At the moment, there are no alternative options that allow users to log in using only an email address. Hopefully in the future, Telegram may introduce a feature that supports email-based login, but for now, a phone number is required. So that's the current situation regarding logging into Telegram with email. If this video helped clarify things, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.